I'm going to show you how to measure grass in your back garden. Our rolls come in 3 widths. We have 4 meters wide, 2 meters wide, and we have small rolls of 1 meter wide for balconies or graves. So what I'm standing on here is our Paris court grass, okay? So the width is 3.7 meters. So what we've done here is we've ordered a 4 meter roll and we've cut it with a Stanley knife ourselves on site to fit to the exact area that we needed it to be in. So we have 3.7 meters here from a 4 meter roll. Unfortunately, you will have that 300 of waste, but there's nothing you can do. And then the length. The length was cut to the requirement of this house. The width you can't do anything on. So we have 5.95 meters. So basically this client has ordered 5.95 meters by 4 meters and then trimmed it to suit their design. And that's how you measure for grass. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a new area for grass. So we're going to call this area grass. We're going to put in the width by the length. We know the roll that we want in mind is 4 meters. So we've put that in there. The length we want is 4.7 meters. Save and update price. Okay. Now we're going to go into our outdoor section, artificial grass. We are going to compare prices with the different pile heights. I'm going to start, for example, with 2 40mm pile heights. So we'll start here. So we can see here that our Phoenix is 531.67 and that our Paris court is 607.62. So now we can compare pricing. But if we keep scrolling down, we will be able to see what price it would be in a 2 meter roll and for both piles. If we go back up here now and we go back into our outdoor artificial grass and we price it in a 25mm pile, we can see the price of our area has significantly dropped. And we have price again for the 4 meter wide and the 2 meter wide if you decide to go down that route. And that's it. That's how to price grass.